Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the reel open. Tap the small audio name under the creator's username to open the audio page. Once there, make sure the audio isn't restricted or deleted, because that will block sharing. Tap the three dots or the share icon to reveal options. Choose Add to your story or Send to add reel to your story. This immediately loads the audio with the reel preview, so you can begin composing your story without extra navigation or downloads. Once the reel lands in your story composer, position the mini reel card where it won't hide important visuals and pinch to resize if needed. Tap the audio waveform or music sticker to trim the clip. Select the exact start and duration so the hook plays at the right moment. Make sure to balance audio levels. Lower the reel volume if your voiceover or original video needs dominance. Add text and stickers sparingly, so the visual focus stays on. When you're satisfied, tap your story or choose close friends to share immediately. You can also send it as a direct message if you prefer targeted viewing. If the audio won't attach, first force close and reopen Instagram, then check for app updates and confirm microphone and storage permissions. Regional or copyright restrictions can also block audio. If problems persist, save the story as a draft, choose an alternate clip, or reselect the reel audio after restarting the app to resolve transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.